to the channel. So I'm back with another video, and this is actually a giveaway. So I've been meaning to do this for the longest time, but I've been busy collecting bits and bobs because I wanted to make it sort of a substantial giveaway with different items in it. So there's kind of something to hopefully suit whoever wins it. So it is one prize, and the rules are you have to be subscribed to my channel, and I would also like you to leave a comment below saying like how long you've been following me for, or how you found me, something along those lines, any kind of comment like that, as it's always nice to know where sort of people come across your videos. So I will show the items. I did mainly want to do it for the UK, but the majority of my viewers are in the United States or elsewhere. So if you are out of the United Kingdom and do want to enter, you can do, but the only hitch is whoever wins, if you're in the United States or elsewhere, I would ask to cover cost of postage, because it's going to be quite heavy, and I know that the shipping rates might be, you know, they will be more than I can personally afford. So please do bear that in mind. If you don't or can't cover the cost of postage, if you live out of the United Kingdom, please refrain from entering, to make it fair for everyone else that would like to enter and possibly win. I hope that all makes sense. Please do see the description for the rules of the giveaway, and hopefully I'll explain it a bit better in there. So we have a few items. Firstly, we have 2 packs of these chameleon colour cards. Now I myself have some of these. You don't have to have the chameleon pens to be able to colour them. I'll open this one up as an example. So these are like postcards, and you open it up here. They give you ones already coloured, so you can use these as an example or use their colour scheme as inspiration. I think there's 8 altogether. If you have got the chameleon pens, they do list the colours that they've used below. So you've got different images there. And then in the other half, you've obviously got the blank versions. Let's see if I can get that back in. There we go. So on this half you have the blank versions. Now these are really nice thick cardstock, so they'd be great for any mediums, and you do get 2 of each image, so you can do 2 different colourways. Okay, and the other one is pretty much the same, but obviously different designs. So I will show you the back of the packaging on the other one, so you can see what the designs are like. So here are the designs in here. This pack is called Floral Patterns, and this one is called Zen. So we have 2 of those in our giveaway. We then have a pack of the Spectrum Noir Sparkle pens. This is the Vintage Bloom collection. Let me just turn my flash off if I can. No, I can't. So this is the Vintage Bloom collection, and you get the colours Sage, Peony and Fig. And for any of you that subscribe or watch my channel, you will know I love my Spectrum Noir Sparkle pens. When you get these, if you've not used them before, you simply take the cap off and take this yellow plastic piece out and then screw the top back on again. And then there's a little barrel inside. If I show you one of mine, there's a little barrel inside here. It says push both sides, so you just squeeze it a couple of times until the ink comes into the nib, but do be careful and use a cloth as well because they can leak like when you squeeze it. So we have a pack of those in the giveaway. We then have a Disney book, and a giveaway wouldn't be a giveaway on my channel without a Disney book thrown in there somewhere. So this is, I believe it's pronounced ABCD, and it's Disney Art Therapy, and these are all the letters of the alphabet with different characters, and you do get a couple of the same letter on some of them with different characters, as you can see. So that book is included in our giveaway. These are all single-sided, so they'd be great for alcohol markers, should you wish to use those. We then have a couple of mind relaxation books. We have one that is birds, one that is animals, and if you do win the giveaway and these, any of these aren't to your taste, obviously you can gift them on to family and friends, who I'm sure would appreciate them too. But this one is full of all different kinds of birds, some more intricate than others. And then we have one that is animals. So we have a horse. Like so. And then we have 4 editions of Colouring Heaven. So we have the Zodiac Special. None of these books have been coloured in at all. I've simply popped them to one side for the purpose of this giveaway. So the Zodiac Special is by all different illustrators, as you can see there. And I'll give you a quick flick through. The ones that have the different illustrators are nice because there's hopefully something in there for everyone's tastes. Like so. We then have Jeff Haney's Fantasy Cats Special. I'm sure all of you know who Jeff Haney is. He does awesome artwork of cats, and they're inspired by his real life cats. I popped this one in the giveaway because I already have the book of it. So, love this image. So that is that edition. Next we have Colin Thompson's Busy World Special. Now this is a book, I can't remember the exact name of the book, but he also put it into, he collaborated with Colouring Heaven to put it in their magazine. There's all different shelves with books and things on that you can colour, towns. It's really unique. Okay, so that is that one. And then our last one is the Burlesque Special by Neil Kendall, who is a burlesque photographer. So that is all of the goodies in our giveaway. Like I said, if you would like to enter outside of the UK, please know that you have to be prepared to pay shipping costs, as I personally can't afford it, but I didn't want to restrict anybody. I wanted to give them the option of being able to enter, and you know, if they do want to enter, you can pay the costs of the shipping. If you are in the UK, I will cover the cost of the shipping. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below of how you found my channel or how long you've been subscribed. And here's to our journey to 1,000. We currently have 765 lovely friends in this channel. So here's to finding more. Happy colouring! Bye everyone!